everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. It's Multiple Monday and I'm here finally with a flip through of these 5 journals. These were using the Something Shabby collection by Artymaze. They are a single signature, about 25 pages inside, so 100 surfaces, if you will. They measure 9 by 13. They're again one signature. 9 by 13. They measure 9 by 6. Sorry about that. Yeah, so let's jump in. They are all the same on the inside. I've just used different pages for the covers, so I'll show you all the covers and then we'll go through one together. This is the front and the back of that one. The lady who ordered these just wanted something simple, floral, feminine, so I haven't done anything to the covers. I've let the paper speak for itself. Beautiful collection. The cover is cardstock, or yeah, cardstock that I've cut. No, was it cardstock? What was it? It took me so long to make them. File folders. They're file folders and then paper wrapped from the collection. Did use a 3-hole pamphlet stitch on these and a seam binding closure. So let's go through this one. I did stitch around the covers. As you can see, we've got eyelets and seam binding for the closure. Make sure that I'm centered here so that you can see. We've got a postcard pocket on the front inside cover with some lace. I've got some flat back pearls. All the tags are coffee dyed and have seam binding in the top. Here's one of the designer pages that has some crochet trim. Here's a pocket with some more flat back pearls, another tag. All of these are from the Something Shabby collection. This paper is a tan hammer mill paper that I've left for plenty of writing in these journals. Here are some tags that came with the ephemera pack, and I have folded them in half and wrapped them around the page to include writing paper here that is tucked under. And then this is one of the ephemera list pages that I've made into a booklet. And here's a little envelope that I've tea-dyed and folded in half. Got a little cutout from the collection, a little booklet. And I don't need to keep saying collection because all of this in here is from the Something Shabby Artymaze collection. Another piece of little, I love this image here. Here's a designer page with, I did a deconstructed envelope on this one, so the flap was used as a tuck, and that's from one of the envelopes. Here's a journal card. We have another writing page here. I've added some banners and crochet trim to the top. Another piece of paper for writing. Here is an envelope, and this is a coin envelope. The coin envelope has a piece that fits inside, and I have attached that over the top of the page and used it just with a paper clip, and we've used that as a tuck for this booklet. There again, all the ephemera is coffee dyed. Or, I'm sorry, tea-dyed. We've got a hem page here. Each book has a different song. Another writing page. Designer page with another pocket. This is, I believe, yes, this is from the envelope. And I've just cut it down to make it pocket size. A little bit of crochet trim and some bling. There were tabs included, so I put a couple of tabs on. This is a 5x8 writing pad, and I just like to include that. I think it makes a fun place to make lists. Here's some green ledger paper. This is a Chili's silverware bag, and I've just matted it and made some clusters and added some other pieces of ephemera. Inside the bag I have included some more of the tabs that I did not use. That way they could put them wherever they want. Here is another designer page with the belly band. These circle punches were punched from the bottom piece of the envelope, so when I deconstructed the envelope, I used the flap part for a side tuck, I used the main portion for a pocket, and then I used that bottom piece to use to cut these circles to make this little belly band. And I've just sewn some seam binding on there with a zigzag, and I've tucked a piece of extra piece of writing paper back here and another booklet. Okay, and another writing page. Now on this one, this is an envelope that I made out of one of the background pages. I think this is my favorite pattern, and I alternated. You'll see there's another envelope in here that's made out of this one, and this pattern is the belly band portion of it, and that just slides in there. And then I have this little corrugated dream with a little button on top. We've got some graph paper, some more tan writing paper, some more tan writing paper. This one has a little side clip that I've made from one of the pieces of ephemera, and I've just added a flat back pearl to the butterfly there. And here's another postcard pocket with a smaller booklet there, just tucked inside. Here is the center. I love this collage page with all the advertisements, so fun, and a doily. And there again, I've just tied the 3-hole pamphlet in the middle and made a bow. Here's another postcard pocket with that a small card insert. That one's upside down. And the bling and the crochet trim. Here's another one of those side clips. On the writing paper, more writing paper, graph paper. Here's that other envelope. And those are fun for just, you can just slide those in. This one says love on the corrugated. Plenty of room to write in this book. Here's a horizontal belly band, and I've just taken this booklet and slid it down that way. On the back of the designer sheet, here's the other side of that bag. There again, I've just matted it, put some different ephemera on it. I've got a journal card inside. And we're on the back side of everything here. Another tab, another deconstructed envelope pocket, and there were 2 envelopes, I believe, 2 or 3 envelopes with this collection. The other side of that, here's one of the pockets that I just love. This was a full page from the collection. It had the pocket, it had the strip, and then it had these focal points. It came with 2, so I put one on the back here because I wanted to include them both. And then that card just fits right inside there. Here's another banner tuck with some writing paper. Another deconstructed envelope side tuck. And I think, yeah, with a journal card. Just tucks right under there. And here's the other side of that envelope with a piece of ephemera there, a little cluster here with the stamps, another booklet. That tea dyeing came out great. I just loved it. It was so different on each piece. All right, now you came out of there, go back. All right, I've got a piece here that's just some more writing paper and some of the writing cards on the back. This is a booklet, actually, yeah. So you could cut that apart if you wanted. And another writing page, another corner pocket, and of course it has the lace trim and the half flat back pearls, and then I have trimmed this piece with lace. And lastly, we have the pocket and the postcard pocket with the tag inside, and that's it. So these were a lot of fun to make. I just love working with the Artymaze collections. They're so awesome, and they turned out fabulous. So I've got 5 of those. Just to show you the covers again, we have the roses, we have that looks like some kind of a cathedral. This one has the trios, and then we have this one which looks like the wrought iron and some kind of old door, and then this one has the rose corners with the advertisement. So yeah, those turned out great. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.